Hi everybody, thank you for popping in to see one of my videos. So I did some recent thrift store shopping, and I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I have found. Pretty excited. I've got some things happening in my life that are about to come to an end. So I have just graduated with my master's degree, and I am going to be finishing my internship December 8th, so then I will be completely done. So I've been gathering things because I really don't have a lot of time to craft the way I would love to craft, but my life is going to change pretty soon here. And I'm excited about that because I really love junk journals. I love to make them. I made 3 Halloween ones over, just trying to bits and pieces here and there. But anyways, I don't want to jab about that right now, but that's what's going on, and I've been collecting these. I've been having the opportunity to go to some thrift stores and getting some really good deals. Alright, so I picked this up, and this is not necessarily junk journal stuff, but this was for this was $2, but I only paid 25 cents because they had a big sale. This was for the Humane Society. What was it? It's sort of it's for dogs, but it teaches you how to blend colors. And I know I can get on the internet and see this stuff, you guys, but I love having it in my hands. I love being able to just like flip through it when I'm thinking about it, and just, oh, I love this stuff. So I have been dabbling a little over the course of 3 or 4 years in painting, and it's interesting to me, and I want to get into it some more. So this is where all squares were painted with red, yellow, blue, and white. And it just shows you how you can make different colors. So anyways, and it's an older book. I don't know I don't know the age of it, but it is real. I mean, based by the artwork, it looks like it was old, but really cool book. And then I got this because I'm always looking for different ways to, celebrate your creative self. I love that. So this is just different forms of art as well. Creating your personal palette. What's your favorite color? Does the limited palette suit your personality? It says visit a gallery. Which paintings have the color schemes you've liked best? Do you have a certain color scheme running through your wardrobe? So yeah, just kind of getting in tune with your inner creativity. Transforming color. Underpaint an area or streak an area with iridescent pearl paint. When it dries, overpaint it with transparent fluid acrylic. This will give you a vivid jewel tone or metallic look. The colors are startling. I'm going to try that. See, it's got glazing. Oh, this is going to be cool to just look and learn, right? So those are some of the books that I picked up just to kind of look through and learn. And then I picked this up, and this is for to set at my desk. This says The Way to Happiness, a Common Sense Guide to Better Living. And you guys know I work at a prison, and so this will be a good book to just sit at my desk so they can look at it when they're in my office. I got some science paper. It looks old, for 20 cents. I'll try to just go through this stuff really cool, but most of this is junk journal stuff. And if I get a chance, I will show you what I'm working on, because I am working on something. So these are really cool to put in a junk journal. That beeping is my washer. Alright, so I got that. And then I always pick up these when I get them. This was for 50 cents, and you guys know you can get these at the you know, in the dollar bins, but for $1. But this was brand new. I figure I'll put it in my, I'm making some recipe books. I got all of these for $2. They're brand new. They're file folders, brand new. I need those. I can always use those. I bought a pack of really good ones, so I use those for my books, junk journals. I got this at a yard sale for $1. And it has all these. I actually went through it, so it has this one, which are really pretty hand painted. Where are you? Hand painted, very beautiful. My granddaughters like these little things to dress up in, so that's for them. I got this nice little bracelet, and I like bracelets, so that's pretty. I got this little necklace, which is pretty. This bracelet, which I'm really digging this one. I really like it. And then this bracelet goes with that necklace. Oh, I like that because it's an adjustable. And I got these little trinkets. Those are going to be cute too. They're buttons. So I know I can use those for something. I got this all came together, you guys. This bracelet. You never know, you guys. There was a lady that found costume jewelry and ended up being 8 carats. Did you guys hear about that? She's a billionaire, you know. So I always look at this stuff. You never know, right? These are cute for the girls to play dress up. Like Queen Elizabeth. They like to play like dress up stuff. So those are always fun for them. Oh, these are really cute. I really like these. These are cute little earrings. This one doesn't have it, but that's an easy fix. Those are cute. These are what I really had my eyes on. I love these, and I think these are real pearls. They feel like it. But those are really pretty. I love pearls. These earrings are cute. Really pretty. So, and I got this. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, okay. You could take your keys off. So these are nice to have. I've seen these before. This sort of chain. Not sure, but. And then I wish I had the other earring. This one was missing the other earring, but I really like those. Cute. Band. And then this, I'm not sure, but this time something tells me, well, well, I don't know, maybe not. It's kind of, so yeah, all that for $1, which I was happy to get. I like the earrings. And then I got this at my favorite for 40 cents. This is my favorite thrift store. They have the best stuff there, you guys. Love that place. These are postcards. Aren't those adorable? And then looks like a note card and then some envelopes. Or maybe envelopes, yeah. Let's open it up. Let's do that. So I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. It's Saturday. This looks like a note card. Yeah, that's nice. And it has a little magnetic thing. And another little note card. These are nice. I like it. So that'll be fun. So I haven't had weekends off in a couple months. I had to do a lot of hours interning, and I had to give up my weekend so I can work my job the weekend and go work over there. And yeah, so I'm happy to be off. I just couldn't do it anymore. I'm hoping I have to get a certain amount of hours in. So I picked these up, and these were 10 cents each, but I figured I can use this paper for backing, or I got black filler scrap paper and white, so I have those. And then this was a cool deal that I found. This was $2, and you get 250. But look like, but look, you guys, these are coin envelopes. I thought they were little, but they're not. They're, what are they? They're 3 3/8 by 6. But they're really cool. Those are going to be nice to use. Nice, nice, nice. Gonna love that. I got those junk journal stuff. And I got all this. So I got these for 25 cents, and I saw somebody, I can't remember her name, but she aged them. Now I'm not sure I would do that because it makes the paper get rusty and it can't be good, but I definitely think I want to make little booklets and stuff with these. I have these. We used to use them at work, so I have some, but I found those for 25 cents. And then I found these cards for 25 cents. And I was so happy because I love sunsets, you guys. I love sunrises and sunsets. That's just like my thing. And, yeah, so that's nice to have. I got this for 20 cents, Clark's darning cotton. You know, we use that for junk journals. I got images of Ireland playing cards. I got some vintage seam binding. I got this holiday drink book, and I think this is so cool. I'm making copies of this. Actually, I'm going to do that right now. Nope, I'll wait. But I'm making copies of that, you guys, and those are going to be cool. I got these little note cards going, junk journals. I got all these note cards. I'm going to be using these. A lot of these I got for work too, though. I think some of them I'm going to be going to use for work. So, and then I got these for 50 cents. These are Hug Snug seam binding. Oh, look at that. This is this looks so wonderful, right? Oh, look at that. You guys, isn't that awesome? So I got that one for 50 cents. I got 3 of them. This one was blue, same thing. Hug and Snug blue, 100 yards. This one, same, Hug Snug peach. I like to go in there because you never know. I found these seam bindings there before, you guys. And I got these for $1. For $1. This is like full. I got 2 of them. So, and I use them to, I probably will have those till I die. Alright, so that's my little haul for the craft store that I love. And I'll be back. You guys will see more of me. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being a subscriber, and I appreciate the new subbies I get. Bye. Have a good day.